In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion to track your subscriptions. We're going to keep this really simple. So by the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use system to keep an eye on all the services you're paying for each month. First, open Notion and head to any page where you'd like your subscription tracker to live. This could be an existing workspace page, like a personal dashboard, or you can start from a completely blank page. The idea is just to have a place ready where we can bring in a template from the Notion marketplace. Once your page is open, look towards the top of the Notion window for the option that takes you to the Notion marketplace. When you get there, you'll see a lot of different templates for all kinds of use cases. What we care about right now is the search feature, usually found near the top of the marketplace page. Go ahead and click on the search bar. This is where we'll quickly narrow things down instead of scrolling through everything. In the search field, type the word subscription. Give it a moment, and Notion will pull up a list of templates related to subscription tracking and management. Now, look through the results and find a subscription template that matches the way you like to organize information. Many of these templates will show a small preview so you can quickly see if they use tables, calendars, or a combination of views. For a subscription tracker, a table-based template is usually the most helpful since you can see the service name, cost, billing cycle, and next payment date in one place. Once you've decided which subscription template you want to use, click on it to open the full template page. Here, you can scroll and get a better look at how everything is structured. Take a moment to imagine how your own subscriptions would fit into this layout. If it feels clear and easy to understand, you're ready to add it to your workspace. Now, find the button that allows you to add this template to your own Notion. It's typically labeled something like Add or Use this template. Click on that. Notion will create a copy of the template in your workspace, and from there, you can start entering your own subscription details, adjusting fields like price, renewal dates, and categories to match your needs.